EDUSOFT Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello, students. Welcome to EDUSOFT Robotics. In this tutorial, we will create the Smart Sunshine Curtain using Magic Board. For this experiment, we are required a Magic Board with USB Type-C cable, an LDR sensor, a servo motor and some jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram for the project. So, let's start building. Step 1. Connect your LDR sensor to the Magic Board using the jumper wires. Connect the VCC and GND pins to 5 volts and ground, and the DO pin to the signal pin IO2. Step 2. Connect your servo motor to the Magic Board using the jumper wires. Connect the red and brown wires to 5 volts and ground, and the yellow wire to the signal pin IO3. Step 3. Use the Type-C cable to connect your Magic Board to the computer. This is the program code we are going to upload to the Magic Board. You can download the code from the description or visit our official website for more technical support. Once the code is ready, upload the code to the Magic Board and see the real magic.